What's the difference between simple future form 을 거예요 and 을게요? The simple future tense form simply states an action that is to take place in the future. On the other hand, 릴게요, following the verb's stem, expresses one's own intention. So my intention, our intention, that means it cannot be used to express someone else's intention. It can only be used to express my intention, what I will do or what we will do. But another thing to remember about this form 릴게요 is that the action expressed in the 릴게요 somehow concerns the person that you're talking to. For example, imagine this situation at an office, the phone rings. Ding, ding. By you answering the phone, you can have other people continue working on whatever they've been doing. So your answering the phone somehow concerns other people in the office. In that case, you should say 전화 받을게요. 전화 받을 거예요. It sounds like you are isolating you answering the phone from other people. So that's why it sounds a little awkward. You can say 제가 받을게요. 제가 받을게요. 제가 받을게요. Pick up the phone and you're good. One more example. Your colleagues invite you to have lunch with them, but you have this project to finish. You can tell them to go ahead. 먼저 가세요. 먼저 가세요. And then tell them that you'll join them later. 좀 이따 갈게요. 좀 이따 갈게요. So instead of saying 갈 거예요, which is simple future form, you should say 갈게요. I'll go, and your going concerns them who's going to be waiting for you or who's invited you to lunch and you're going to join them later. So your going to lunch and joining them concerns them in some ways. This kind of situation calls for the 릴게요 rather than just simple future tense form 을 거예요. Imagine this situation again. Your colleagues invite you to have lunch with them, but you just need 15 minutes to finish the report you're working on. So you tell them, 먼저 가세요. Please go ahead. 저는 좀 이따 갈게요. I'll go a little later. 이거 끝나고, this 끝나고, finish and 좀 이따, a little later, 갈게요. 갈게요. In this situation, you should not say 좀 이따 갈 거예요. I will go later. 좀 이따 갈 거예요. Because by using the simple future tense, you're isolating your action of going there, going to where they are. But because it concerns them, you should say 좀 이따 갈게요. And that would sound natural. 좀 이따 갈 거예요 would sound a little awkward. So next time your Korean colleague invites you to lunch and you have something to do, tell them that you'll join them later by saying 좀 이따 갈게요. 좀 이따 갈게요. 좀 이따 갈게요. You get the difference between the simple future tense form 을 거예요 and 을게요. Very good.